Welcome Northeast Missouri Angler. I'm Dennis. As you can see, I'm kind of bundled up. It's about 38 degrees, and we just had rain last night. Water temps 46.5 right here where I'm at. But the big factor today is the wind. We've got about a 20 to 30 mile an hour wind today. Back here in the back, but ain't seen nothing but little fish, so I'm gonna make a little run here and try to see if I can get to another area of the lake, maybe get out of this wind a little bit. So stick around. Pretty sporty out here. That was a good fish. Another 9-inch fish. Tell you what, windy as cold as it is out here today, I'll take all them I can get. Go, another one. One after the other here. I found a bunch of better fish. They're on a vertical laydown, about 8 foot under the water. Four. Pretty good bunch of them here. Go, there's a 10-incher. 5. There we go. 10-inch fish. That'd be close to 11. It's a good fish. 6. There we go. Here's a good one. Nice eater. 9.5, 10-inch fish. 7. Well, I've been here 14 minutes. Been in this spot 14 minutes, caught 7 fish. You can't beat that. All of them about 10 and a half inches. There we go. That's a good fish. Nice fish. Nice 11-incher. There we go. Got it. Missed it. He came back and hit it again. Nice fish. Nice 11-incher. Ding, 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 ding. Wind. Gale force winds. Go. Good one. Good one. Good one. Nice 11-incher. Oh yeah. There we go. There's a good one. Another 11-inch fish. Another nice 11-incher. Another good one. About limited out here. Another good one. It's cold, it's windy, but the fishing is hot. It's really picking up out here the last week and a half, 2 weeks. There we go, there's another one. Nice fish. What's this? I'm guessing 9.5. Right at 9. I'm gonna go for a bigger one. I noticed the bigger one's down there. There we go. 10-incher. Well, that's gonna do it for me today. High winds, but the fishing was good. There's some nice fish here. Kept 8, but I probably caught 30 fish. I know I caught 15 over 10 inches. I have 4 in there, it's 11 inches. So, but once again, I was using that Wild Willie's OCD, the Wabash style, black and blue. Seemed to work great, along with Orange Crush, Dwarf Pillhead from Thumper Jigs. The fish wanted it. I got out here at noon, about 12:15 or so. Went up in the dry fork and caught a few fish, but they were smaller. So I went and looked around for some more fish and managed to find these. But all in all, I've been out here 2 hours and 10 minutes. I've been in this area I'm in. I've only been in here about 55 minutes. So, and I caught the majority of the bigger fish, all the bigger fish in here, the majority of the fish in here. So I'm gonna keep that place a secret, unless you can figure it out by the background where I am. But if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button down there, close to the 1,000 member mark. Bell right next to it to notify you when I post the videos. As always, thanks for watching.